Hi guys! Patapos na po ang ating vacation. Kung makikita nyo, naglalakad po kami. Papunta kami sa LBC para ipadala yung cellphone ni Hatron. Regalo namin para sa birthday niya. Come! You look the video, be. Hello! Siya nga pala si Jat. Siya si Jat. Ang pinaka panders dito sa UAE. Ay, wow! I like my hair. So, tell me, Jat, how do you feel right now? This is the 10th day of your vacation.
No, we are really enjoying, you know.
You're really
10 days,
enjoying, right?
Because we are working long time, so vacation is for us very important to enjoy.
Yes. Are you sure?
Walking, chit chat, you know, going to somewhere, refreshing.
Yeah. It's for refreshing our mind only. At this moment, you know, if we don't, if the situation is okay, maybe we are in Nepal right now, right?
Right now, not Nepal, it's Abu Dhabi, UAE.
No, if there's no situation, we're
Yeah, if
supposed
this
to be-
scenario, this war, this thing is not there, we are in Nepal.
Mhm.
But because of this scenario, this difficult situation, so we are here in Abu Dhabi because we working place also Abu Dhabi.
You mean to say the situation is because I don't know what kind of situation is talking about. My situation is better. I'm doing great. Oh, day. I tried to remove that one, but it doesn't go, you know. Jat! Jat! Basketball. So how's your uniform?
Stay only 1 week.
1 week complete? No, I think 11 days complete because that one we started, right? Right, Beth?
Hi.
Okay guys, see you later. Bye. Naglalakad pa rin po. Ano bang gagawin namin? Hindi maglakad lang. Wala naman magbabas kami. Ay naku, nasaan pa yung exercise kung magbabas ka pa. The time now it's 6 o'clock, which is good. Wow, I love this view. Diba?